Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Subaru STI versus Evo, which is better. Start by picking a safe route and inspect tires and brakes before any high-speed runs. I will describe handling traits, turbo feel, and chassis feedback in a conversational way. Expect clear comparisons of performance, maintenance, and ownership costs to help you decide which model fits your driving style and budget. I will explain how each car behaves on twisty roads and straights, focusing on torque delivery, steering feel, and suspension setup. We will compare peak power, mid-range response, and launch behavior using real driving impressions. I will also touch on brake feel, weight distribution, and how electronic aids influence real-world lap times. This section aims to give you a clear sense of which car rewards aggressive driving and which is more forgiving. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more content. It really helps. Quick recommendation: make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers that keep your post-track lunches neat and spill-free, perfect for glove box storage and quick refuel stops. They save cleanup time and fit neatly in most coolers, which I love after a long drive. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. I will review purchase price, typical maintenance needs, and insurance considerations so you know long-term costs before choosing. We will talk about fuel economy differences in everyday driving and how modifications can change expense profiles. I will highlight practicality factors like rear seat space, cargo room, and daily comfort to show which car fits commuting or weekend track days. This helps you weigh fun against affordability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.